Hi, good morning. So I have our head girl for the session, Trisha Vasoya, with us. Good morning, Trisha.
Good morning,
How are
ma'am.
you doing?
I'm great, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Please give us some highlights on your journey till date in the school.
So, my journey in the school, I've been here in the school for like 4 years, and it's been quite a roller coaster ride. There have been ups and there have been downs, a lot of mistakes made, a lot of lessons learned, and that's how it's been.
So, what all it took from being a normal student to a leader, being the head girl of the institution, what your journey has looked like?
I think what makes a person a leader is an overall development. It's like you should not be good in only one particular area. You need to have an insight in every field of work, and I think that's what the school has equipped me with. With various clubs and societies, I've gotten an exposure in every field of work. We have many clubs like social service club, photon club. Photon club is mostly like the science club, a fitness and well-being club, chess club, debates club. So this is something that makes a student an all-rounder.
So, which club you're a part of?
I am the part of a social service club. Basically, we recycle waste materials and make something out of it, and then we sell it, and we use the donations to educate children around the school and provide them with basic necessities like clothes, etc.
Great. So clearly I could make out like being a leader, you have to give equal emphasis to your academics as well. So how have you managed it all on a plate, and how your academics has been in the school, support from teachers, mentors? Brief us on that.
I think academics has been quite easy for me because I don't take academics as a burden. It is fun, and that's what the teachers here have also taught me, that do not take studies as a burden and just enjoy it and you'll be fine.
Great. So what are your future career goals now, aspirations, which universities you're aiming for? Have you got into any? And what are your subject streams, options? Please give us highlights.
So when we talk about streams, I'm in the commerce stream and I have taken psychology as an additional subject. That seems quite a combination, but I was never really aiming for psychology, but once I got into the classes, it really fascinated me. So now I plan on taking psychology as in my future prospects.
That's great. So any career guidance that you've decided your university's applications?
So there are various agencies that visit our school, and through them I have applied to the University of Queensland. Unfortunately, I did get accepted.
That's great. Congratulations to you on
Thank
that.
you, ma'am.
So you're planning to move abroad now for your future studies?
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to go to Australia and get an exposure of like another country. I think that would be great.
That's great. So I can clearly make out that you're confident enough for your future endeavors.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
all the best to you, and we hope the best for you, right? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.